Okay, be honest, how many mics do you own right now? One for streaming, one for vlogging, one for interviews, and maybe a wireless pack too? It adds up, both in cost and clutter. What if one microphone could replace them all? Well, BOYA just dropped something pretty wild, the Magic Mic, the world's first AI transformative mini microphone that fits in your pocket, but works like 4 mics in one. In full transparency, I was sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video. So what makes Magic Mic different? This tiny thing transforms instantly into 4 different forms. Clip-on for walking and talking content, handheld for vlogs and street interview, desktop for live streaming and Zoom calls, camera mounted for pro style shoots. It's basically your wireless lab, handheld microphone, desktop condenser and on-camera shotgun all in one. And here's the kicker, it's literally the size of a marker. You throw it in your bag or even a pencil case and you're set for any recording situation. Content creators, streamers, educators, remote workers, you know the pain. Cumbersome gear everywhere, poor portability when traveling, and worst of all, high cost stacking up when you need multiple mics. BOYA's Magic Mic basically eliminates all of that. It's one device that adapts to whatever you're shooting. And because it's transformative with its 4-in-1 layout, you're not paying for 4 separate mics. Here's what you're getting. True AI noise cancellation, cuts background noise up to 40 decibels. Marker size portability, it looks like a pen, but works like a studio setup. Double safety track and peak protection, so your audio doesn't clip. One tap control right on the mic, and a charging case that keeps everything neat and powered. And yes, battery life is solid, you can keep recording while charging via the XT port. Alright, let me show you the transformations in action. The clip-on mic just clips onto your shirt. It can be perfect for walking outside, perfect for hikes, vlogs, TikToks, or just hands-free talking. The handheld microphone I've been using. This is great for street interviews, podcasts, or just adding that broadcast feel. The desktop mic, now it's a desktop condenser, so it's great for live streams, Zoom calls, or teaching online. And then the camera mounted. That's when it's time for shooting professionally. You got an on-camera mic ready to go. Of course, features don't matter if the audio isn't good, so let's do a quick test. I did want to test the microphone in a couple of different environments. So right now I've got it mounted on my camera and I am in an outside environment. So that will give a great example of that. Now I'm going to take this into my studio space. So this is in my studio space, so this is a much more controlled environment. But again, I still have that microphone on top of my camera in a camera mounted position. And this is the sound quality that's coming off it now. I'm going to switch to a handheld again, and then we're going to do the same repeat process. So this is in that handheld position, which I think is fantastic. It's actually a lot of fun holding a microphone. I normally don't hold a microphone in a lot of content I do, but this is great for those interviews where you want to be interactive with the person. And I have noticed that, yeah, it doesn't clip. It stops itself from clipping, which is fantastic, especially in a handheld microphone situation where you're pointing at someone's face and they don't have mic control as you may, and they scream or shout. So fantastic. Let's go test this outside in my air conditioner. So now I'm right near my air conditioner. I'm not sure if you can actually hear that or not. I'm gonna go show you, but my air conditioner unit is kind of loud at the moment. So let's go, actually, let me show you that. So that's me only probably like 6 feet away. I do believe this is a directional microphone, so it should be cutting out a lot of that noise. Now completely removed from the actual handheld microphone or the boom mount microphone, it is now clipped onto my shirt. So this is going to be perfect for that vlogging and outdoor walking type of scenario, or that handheld. So this is in the studio setup. I'm going to go back outside. I'm going to distance myself from the camera. That way you can see the benefits of this type of lavalier microphone. And as you can see, I'm a pretty far distance away from my camera. I am using a wide angle, so definitely a big distance. And you're still hearing me very clear. And that's all thanks to this clip-on microphone. It means I can be away from my camera. Just 2 of these, so you can still do an interview or have 2 people mic'd up at the same time. And I'm not even speaking that loud. I'm being pretty inconspicuous right now. For something so small, it's honestly impressive. Normally you need 4 separate devices, a lavalier, a desktop condenser, a handheld, and an on-camera shotgun. That's hundreds of dollars, plus mess of cables and cases and losing items. The Magic Mic does it all. Transformable, portable, AI enhanced, for a fraction of the cost, and literally just slips into your pocket. So if you're a creator, streamer, teacher, or anyone tired of juggling multiple mics, the BOYA Magic Mic might be the smartest audio upgrade you make this year. So if you are interested in BOYA's Magic Mic, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. You can head over there for some more information or pick one up for yourself. Leave a comment on what your favorite feature was, share this with a friend who needs this in their life, hit that like button, and of course subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.